Are you tired of battling stubborn blackheads that seem to pop up unexpectedly? Fear not. Today, with Life Balance Guru, you are going to learn natural methods to achieve clearer skin. Blackheads, those pesky little bumps that appear when our pores get clogged, can be banished with these simple homemade remedies. Let's get started. Sugar and honey scrub. Get smooth skin with a simple sugar and honey scrub. Made with sugar and honey, it gently exfoliates and fights blackheads. Sugar removes dead skin, while honey soothes and fights acne. Suitable for all skin types, even sensitive and acne-prone. Just mix 1 tablespoon each of sugar and honey, massage onto the skin for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Use after cleansing 1 to 2 times a week for best results. Enjoy soft, glowing skin with this easy-to-make scrub. Ground coffee and coconut oil. This face and body scrub, which you can make by yourself, effectively removes blackheads, dead skin cells, and flakes, leaving skin smooth and moisturized. It's ideal for dry skin and helps eliminate ingrown hair. Mix ground coffee, coconut oil, and lemon juice and massage onto the skin for 1 to 2 minutes, focusing on blackheads. Rinse off with a mild face wash. It is better if you can use this once a week for a radiant complexion. This scrub is suitable for all dry skin types. Egg whites and tissue nose strip. The egg whites and tissue nose strip are an effective method for tightening pores and removing blackheads. It removes dirt, clears acne, and reduces oil. Egg whites are known for keeping the face clean, firmer, and youthful. To use, separate egg whites and yolk. Apply the strip to the nose, then place tissue paper on top. Allow the strip to sit on the skin for several minutes, then remove it to clean. The recommended frequency is once every 7 to 10 days or on special occasions. Oatmeal, yogurt, and orange peel face scrub. This skincare remedy for dull, acne-prone, and oily skin involves oatmeal, orange peel powder, and yogurt. Yogurt brightens and soothes the skin, while orange peel lightens spots and blemishes. Yogurt rejuvenates tanned skin and removes dead skin, blackheads, and excess oil. To use, mix 1 tablespoon of ground oatmeal with yogurt and 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder. Apply the mixture to the face and neck, scrub trouble areas, and wash off with lukewarm water. Use twice or 3 times a week. Lemon, honey, and sugar. This blackhead scrub uses lemon, honey, and sugar to brighten up your complexion. Honey is a natural antibiotic that removes dirt from pores, while lemon offers astringent benefits for clean skin. Mix 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, granulated sugar, and honey. Apply the mixture to your face, massage in circular motions, and rinse off with warm water. Pat dry with a soft towel and moisturize if dry. If you want clear skin, try this method once a week. Tomato and lemon juice. The tomato and lemon face mask is a powerful skincare routine you can follow once or twice a week. This treatment effectively removes blackheads, adds glow, and tackles blemishes and spots. Tomato enzymes have exfoliating properties, while lemon has antibacterial and antioxidant properties. The mask also helps remove unwanted tanning, reducing blemishes and dark spots. To use, puree half a tomato and squeeze half a lemon. Apply to skin, let sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash off with cold water and pat dry. Tea tree oil for blackheads. Blackheads form when bacteria, dead skin, and sebum build up in sebaceous glands, leading to oxidation and forming black spots. Tea tree oil, with its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, can help unblock sebaceous glands, clear pores, and dry out pimples and blackheads. However, applying 100% tea tree oil directly may irritate. To use, damp a cotton ball with water and apply tea tree oil on the spots, diluting with a daily face cleanser or non-comedogenic moisturizer. The recommended frequency is twice or thrice a week. Honey and turmeric. Turmeric is a trusted beauty ingredient with antioxidant properties, exfoliating properties, and reducing hyperpigmentation. It's used to combat acne and blackheads. Mix honey with half a teaspoon of turmeric and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then wash off with water. Scrub off in circular motions to remove dead skin and impurities. Follow up with a toner and moisturizer. By following this routine twice a week, you will experience a glow in your skin. So these are the remedies for clear skin we bought you for today. Say goodbye to blackheads and embrace these natural methods for clearer skin. Want more healthy tips to glorify your skin? Stay with us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to Life Balance Guru for more healthy beauty tips. Until we meet, stay beautiful.